If you're worried about high blood pressure resistance, we have details on a modern therapy you may consider. The following portion of Live at 9 is sponsored by Stern Cardiovascular Center, and we're joined by Dr. Gilbert Zogby to talk about the care and treatment they offer for hypertension. Good morning, and thank you, Dr. Zogby.
Good morning.
So what are the consequences of hypertension?
Hypertension is a silent disease. It affects the arteries of the body, different arteries of the body, and causes what we call end organ damage. And this can lead to strokes, heart attacks, kidney failure, loss of vision, and different areas of the body get affected, including also sexual dysfunction. So it's an extensive disease that affects different organs of the body.
Wow. And can you talk about exactly what resistant hypertension is?
Resistant hypertension is defined as a blood pressure greater than 140/90, despite being on 3 different blood pressure medications at their maximum dose. Unfortunately, 80% of the patients don't achieve their goal blood pressure, and by 1 year, 50% of the patients don't adhere to the medication. So there is a lot of component of non-adherence, but still some patients suffer from elevated blood pressures despite doing all the good stuff, including taking their medications.
Okay, and there is a treatment. It's called renal denervation therapy for hypertension, and it's constantly evolving. Can you tell us where it is today and what it is?
Yes, ma'am. The renal denervation, or what's called also renal ablation, is an FDA-approved procedure that's basically used for these patients who have resistant hypertension. There is a connection between the kidneys, the heart, and the brain through the nerves to control the blood pressure. And in these patients with resistant hypertension, the kidney nerves are hyperactive. And what this procedure does, it's a catheter-based procedure. We go into the kidney arteries with a tiny catheter that delivers radio frequency energy or heat energy that disrupt these nerves in the kidney arteries without damaging the arteries. And what happens with the disruption of the nerves, the nerve output from the kidney decreases, and this leads to drop in the blood pressure. And that's how we achieve better blood pressure control with this kind of therapy. And in the studies that they've done, usually we can get around 10-point drop in the blood pressure with this kind of therapy. And this is all exciting. This is a new procedure that's been FDA approved, and we have it available to our patients in our Baptist facilities here. So we're too excited that we have this therapy available for some of our resistant hypertension patients.
And we've been putting the information up on the screen to reach out to you, but can you quickly tell us how long this recovery might be?
Recovery is pretty quick. It's like any catheter-based procedure. We put a small tube in the groin to get into the kidney arteries, and usually there's no incision. The recovery is usually a few days just to recover from the tiny tube that was in the groin. And this relatively safe procedure is like doing any heart catheterization procedure. Basically, it's the same approach.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Zogby, for offering this treatment and having all the modern things that we need for our people. Appreciate you. And the preceding portion of Live at 9 is sponsored by Stern Cardiovascular Center.